fuel pressure line.
I don't think I've ever been up here before.
Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. Yes, check the
First time I've ever been up
hyperdrive.
here. I've always been in the middle and the back.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, Night Owl. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Affirmative. Hyperdrive systems normal. Main reactor. Are you sure? Hang on. Give me a moment. Affirmative. Good. Cabin pressure systems. Repulsor lift generator. Coordinate set. Sorry, recruits. I'm afraid we're having an issue with the ship's computer as well. Hold on, and we'll resume our flight momentarily.
Robert can't get in.
Still looking into that computer issue. Bear with us a moment and we'll continue shortly.
Is this part of the story?
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch.
Okay, we're gonna hang on. They fixed it.
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, we got to clear the path so transport can make the jump.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying, but
We lost Blue 5. I'm going to try to jump him away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there.
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
Get to place and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Resistance vessel TR-141. This shuttle is being detained. You will all disembark immediately, then proceed to your right. off the ship now.
You turn it back off, you can't drive it back off.
Drive straight through. All of you here go around.
Go around.
Oh no, we've been captured.
And this is where he just looked at you like,
Shush, don't tell them nothing. I know nothing.
I'm only talking to you.
Some of these are real.
By the way, that's the right.
Take some pictures.
That's the right.
Yeah. That's cool, right? Oh, we somehow got captured again, yet again. God damn. Very intimidating look. Isn't that intimidating? Some move, some don't.
Interrogation shouldn't be that difficult, just the color. When I say enter, blue and red will go first, silver and orange will follow. You will stay in the center of the cell, that means off the walls, away from the door, do not touch anything inside. If you have any bags and cargo, remove them now. You will hold it until interrogation is complete. That means remove your bag and hold it. Is there any questions? Good, into the cell, go. Stay away from the walls and the door. Silver and orange, go.
So is it okay to keep this with me or should I put it on there?
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side and...
Stay there, don't move. Alright, don't worry, Patrice, we're here with the resistance. We've come to rescue. Remember your colors. Let's go, quickly. Blue and red to the left, silver, orange to the right. Find your color.
Hey, we have the recruits.
Thank you, R5.
You're still here? Who's coming back with an attack force?
I don't know, are they?
Probably.
You tell me.
Make sure to get all the others in the video. And my back row, pull up on the yellow tab.
Pull on the yellow
Pull the tab on your right side. My back row.
Okay, hopefully we can escape this time. Hopefully we get to escape properly this time. What do you think, Piper?
Right on your left-hand side. Hold it. Make sure any holes are articles that you can't hear things in your hands. You're not holding tightly or so. Okay. R5 will get you out of here. Back to bot 2.
Pat, you're fine.
Reinforcement with you. What about my glasses?
You're fine. Get on mine, you're fine. Are you excited?
Last time we were on this.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lifts, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Bot 2. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer.
Who hired these droids anyways?
Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right.
Oh boy, this is freaking out.
A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. Give a break to detention block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Yeah, I know, right? It wasn't me. It wasn't. Oh, we can go this way. These things are so huge
disengage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
The resistance not moving. Oh my! Guys freaked out too, R5. Ooh! Gun! That screen isn't and the guns aren't moving. Aw. Go!
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This is
We're trying to, kid.
You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Bye! We're getting to our escape pod. How do you get that far? Crazy? This is how you act when you're going on the
Really like getting it close, don't you? Okay, you're clear.
Well, that didn't work out too well.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
We didn't get stuck.
Not this time.
Just to get stuck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Rhino, scan for his pod beacon.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo!
We made it safely, yay!